Hello everyone, this is Dot with Design Life Completely and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Louis Vuitton GM model of the Agenda, the Ring Agenda. I've located this from a pre-loved market and it just came in the mail and I sort of cheated, so I already know what it looks like, but I wanted to share with you what I have. This came in a Halifax box when it was shipped by the seller. And the actual agenda, it also had a dust bag as well. So this did tell me that they took really good care of this. And I wanted an agenda that was in pretty good shape. This is the GM. As you see, here is the strap. In one of my other videos, I talk about how the GM has the 3 LVs here, and the other models, the pattern is a bit different for the MM and also the PM. As you know, with the GM, if I can hold this right side up, you have the small pocket here. We have the insert on this side, and then on the back you have another small pocket, and you have the 2 flaps here as well. The rings, I checked the rings as well. They work very well. And the other concern that I'm always checking is the strength of the snap. So when I go through, I'm gonna turn around so I can see what I'm doing. Snap is pretty tight as well. So everything, the pen holder is intact, so big enough for the ink pen that I will be carrying with this as well. So I'm pretty happy with just the agenda. However, this is, oh my goodness, I was so surprised at what else I received in here. It was advertised as the GM agenda, the Louis Vuitton agenda with random inserts. Let me show you what random inserts look like for this seller. Here you go. Look at this. A gem of inserts. There are so many different inserts in here. And let me just flip through some. It has the notes and thoughts pages. There's some blank calendar pages in here as well. Some of these I haven't even seen yet. You also have some pink, love me some pink, blank sheets, Halifax sheets as well. You have a blog planner, some pages for blog planner as well. I have a monthly bucket list, notes and thoughts. Here's some handy grid paper. Some of this I'm just seeing. I didn't go through all of these. So I'm just seeing this and I'm just getting happy as I go through here. Some grid paper as well in various different colors. How cool is that? And let's see what else we have. Oh, handy dandy. Can't get away with planning without having a to-do list. So some check boxes here for the to-do list. There are contact pages as well. There's some more notes. And let's see, what is this? This is oh, great. This is a package of progress trackers. Definitely will be using this. And more stuff in here. Bag of goodies. We have, oh my gosh, look at there. Some covers here. 1, 2, 3. Recognize this from cloth and paper. Stickers. A different type of bucket list sheets in here. What else we have? Monthly bucket list and goals. Look at this. You have the tabs for the month here. Let's see if we can see those a little. Look at that. Tabs for the month. it's endless. It's endless. All of you that are into planning know that inserts are not cheap. There is a map. Love a map. I'm always loving a map. More cover sheets, more grid paper. What else we have in here? Oh, I think this is like some, let's see. Oh, I love these. I love, love, love these. I love these. Where you can put some various items in these covers as well. This one, it has the Louis Vuitton logo on it. I'm not sure if it's authentic or not, but I will use that. And well, I'm telling you, this is really endless. There's some more tabs, different colors here. This may be good for seasonal, changing things out as well. More grid paper, but this is by the month. This is the executive notes graph paper. This is by Cloth and Paper. That's in here as well. And more cloth and paper inserts. This is your password tracker, which will be helpful. Some journaling inserts for mood, tracking, affirmations, more dividers, more plastic dividers as well. I'm telling you, look, I don't know what I'm gonna use. Here are some additional monthly tabs as well. And then finally, in the bucket of everything that I received, this is, what is this? This looks like a weekly. So this is a weekly, non-dated. So you can use this, just circle whatever month you're in, and you can use this free form as well. So not did the agenda, I have to go back to this again. Not did the agenda itself come through in good shape, but what can I say about those inserts? So let's see. I try to keep, because I'm trying to do the inventory of everything I purchased. I don't have the seller here. Let's see. Okay, here it is. I wrote it down on a little piece of paper. This seller is Vixen, Viksynn. He was on Mercari. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's Mercari. And new, this agenda goes for $9.20. Just new. And I got this for a really good price along with the inserts. So I am happy. If this seller has anything else, I'm with him. So I am definitely subscribing to anything that he has, because not only was the shipping in good shape, but the products I received, I am just very, very satisfied with. All right, guys, thank you. Stay tuned as I load this planner, because I am going to use not all of those inserts. I'm going to sort through them a bit better, see which ones I'm going to use for the GM planner. And so stay tuned for those videos. And I have some other unboxings for the Louis Vuitton MM as well. That came from a different seller, but I'll show you that. And thank you. Subscribe so you can follow me as I load new videos as well. Thank you all. See you soon.